In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a copy of your file here in the Google Sheets app using your iPhone. So if you want to make a copy of a file or a spreadsheet that you've been working on, here's how to do it. So once you have your Sheets app open, you will have all the files right here. And once you've chosen the one that you want to make a copy of, all you have to do would be to tap on the ellipsis at the right side of that file. Here we have it, just tap on it. Then you have these options, just scroll up to view all the options. And one of those options would be right here near the bottom would be make a copy. In between are add shortcut to drive and your details and activity. Once you tap on it, it will say that it's making a copy of that file and it will automatically open that copy. To know if that's the copy, we're just going to have to check the name of the file by tapping on the ellipsis at the top right corner right here. There you have it. It will say that it's a copy of make a copy of your file. So if we go back to our home page, here we have it. We have two files right here. The copy will be at the top, which will be the latest one that you've opened. And the second one would be the original file, which you've made a copy of. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to make a copy of your file here in the Google Sheets app using your iPhone. Now, if you're interested in learning more about how to use the Google Sheets app on the iPhone, do check out this playlist at the top right corner. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.